Okay, so my first question is, how does one make a quantum leap? Because what I have noticed in my own life is I'm pretty decent. I've been studying law of attraction for about 10 years. I'm pretty good at I've manifested a lot of great things, but I always hit a plateau where it's like halfway. I'm great till that halfway point, and it's like hitting a ceiling. So
Okay,
how do I make a quantum leap? Is it even possible?
so let's talk about exactly what quantum leap is, because there's kind of two perspectives of what quantum leap means. So the traditional perception of quantum leap is making a big jump from like here to there, right? And I think that's the context that you're talking about when you mention quantum leap right now. Now, when people ask me about quantum leaping, what I explain, and there's a whole call in the collective about this, is a real quantum leap is happening all the time. So in every second, we are quantum leaping because every time that your beliefs change, every time that your awareness change, you are literally becoming a brand new person at a brand new vibration. And every time you do that, you're jumping to a new reality, new reality, new reality. So if you listen to somebody like Bashar, he says that we shift realities billions of times per second, almost the
Wow.
same way that you see the movie strips going down, all the pictures that make up a movie, kind of the same thing. So when people ask me about quantum leaping, I say, well, we're quantum leaping every second. Now, in the context of what you're talking about, is how do you make a big quantum leap,
Mhm.
being how do you make a big change in your reality? And the simple answer is that the more I think the same thoughts, the less my perspectives, negative emotions, and thoughts change, then the more I'm quantum leaping to kind of the same thing, right?
Ah,
So small awareness shift leads to small physical reality shift.
oh.
Big awareness shift, big change in perception leads to bigger change in reality. So I would say what leads to a big quantum leap is a big change in perception, big change in negative emotion, big change in where you're putting your focus. Does that
Mm,
kind of answer your question?
yes. Yeah, that's a really interesting answer. I've never seen it talked about that way. That's
Yeah,
really something.
yeah. And then when it comes to, what you really talked about was, you progress and then you feel like you plateau,
Yeah.
right?
Mhm.
So when we plateau like that, it's always because of resistance. So
Mm.
anytime, the amount of time it takes for manifestation to show up always relates to resistance. And we can never get to a point where there's no resistance, but we want to lower that resistance as much as possible. So forward movement always happens first and foremost at a vibrational level. So when you're plateauing, it's probably because either you're recognizing, you're noticing, I'm not there yet, I'm not there yet, I'm not there yet, I'm not there yet, or where is
Yes.
it, where is it, where is it,
Yeah.
where is it? Or it could be a fear, right? You could be getting really close to that thing and start noticing it. But if you've got a subconscious fear that, oh, it's not safe to manifest it, people might judge me or I might lose it, then that can create resistance too. So the source of the plateau is probably going to be something different for different people.